Now I'll show you how to add a picture to our Victorian rose egg. Okay, the pictures are larger, and as you can see, they don't contour at all to the egg. Now when you add the glue, it does soften up the picture a bit, but not quite enough to make it contour the egg. So what you'll want to do is first decide, do you want the whole picture on there, or maybe you can just cut off the head, or you can cut off a little of this detail, this extra border, trim that off, because the less picture you have, the more easily it is to contour it to the egg. Now I would then follow the design and cut out, not cut all the way out, but just cut following the lines of the design. And then this will make it so that the picture will overlap itself just slightly, and you'll be able to contour onto the egg. So in this case of this cat, I'm cutting up along its legs, and then you can cut around its collar a little bit. Just cut, don't cut all the way through, just sort of cut into it, and maybe a little bit cutting around the snout of the cat, and then cut into the ears. But you want to make your cuts following the design so they won't be so noticeable. You'll see I've cut that picture up quite a bit. And now it will contour to our egg much easily. And you can just apply some glue, a thin coating of glue here, and add our cat and put more glue on top, and then just smooth that onto the egg. As the glue softens up the paper, it will contour the egg even better. So keep your finger moist as you're rubbing on it so that it doesn't stick to you. And then when you've got it nicely applied and it's completely contoured to the egg, then you'll let that dry.